Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our presentation. Let us start our presentation. Uh, Please subscribe the channel, like the presentation, and click on the bell icon and share it. Myself, Dr. S.R. Dhendre, M.Com with PhD Department of Commerce, Rajvi Smarak Mahavidyalaya, Laspat Nagar. My email is given here. sukeshdendre@gmail.com, mobile 9881 480 582. Friends, we start third chapter, that is redemptions of preference shares. What is redemptions of preference shares? Redemption means to return. Redemptions of preference share capital. What a big name for a simple thing. Preference shares can be redeemed only if they are fully paid up. It means partly paid preference shares cannot be redeemed. Sources of fund for the redemptions of preference shares. The funds for the redemptions come from two sources. First is fresh issue and second is out of profit. Fresh issue. What is fresh issue? In the first chapter we know the issue of shares, uh, how to issue and raise the company's capital. Meaning of fresh issue: when the redemptions is out of fresh issue, the amount received on fresh issue is utilized for the redemptions of preference shares and new shares take place of redeemed shares. Second source of redemptions, out of profit. When the redemption is out of profit, the required amount is transferred from company's profit to a special account called CRR. CRR means Capital Redemption Reserve Account. Then the preference shares are redeemed. Here the Capital Redemption Reserve Account take the place of redeemed shares. This account is treated on par with paid up capital. Look here the picture. Here the wheel has been given to you. The wheel means company's finance. On right side you see the creditors, and the left side you see the equity shares and preference shares. In the redemptions process, the preference shares is say that I am going bye bye. What says I am going bye bye. In these two pictures, the wheel means company's finance is in equity shares and preference shares. It is the internal liability, and external liability, that are the creditors. Out of one is go, preference share is go. Then look the face of creditors. He worried, and it means redeemed preference shares capital account is replaced by capital or CRR. New share capital account, where redemption is out of fresh issue. New capital account is shown on the balance sheet, and capital redemption reserve account, where the redemption is out of profit. Here the replacement is by capital or CRR. Redemption out of fresh issue. The fresh issue for the redemptions may be of equity or preference shares, where the fresh issue is at par or at discount. The amount received should cover the nominal value of shares redeemed out of fresh issue, where the fresh issue is at a premium. The amount received excluding premium should cover the nominal value of shares redeemed. A premium payable on redemptions must be provided out of the profit or out of the share premium account. Now look the picture. Here companies finance on the field. When redeem the shares and out of fresh issue, the new shareholder, equity shareholder, join here. And here look, I have joined. And now look the face of creditors. He smile because new fresh shareholder joined here, means the will are equal. If they are not joined, the creditor is worried. So now the will is now the picture is very smilist. Creditor are smile and say the new fresh shareholder say that I have joined. Then redemption out of profit. All types of profit cannot be used for the redemptions of preference shares. Only revenue profit can be used for the redemptions. First rule: general reserve profit and loss account, credit balance, dividend, equalization fund, etc. are the example of revenue profit which are used to redemptions of preference shares. Capital profit cannot be used for the redemptions of preference shares. Example: profit prior to incorporation, capital reserve, share premium. These are not used for the redemptions of preference shares. Any premium payable on redemptions may be provided out of the profits or out of the share premium account. The use of CRR is strictly restricted. Don't use CRR. It can not be used for revenue requirement. It can used only for the issue of fully paid bonus shares. It is treated as paid up capital, where the shares are redeemed out of divisible profit. The sum equal to nominal value of the share redeemed must be transferred to capital redemption reserve account, or we call it in short CRR. This is obligatory. Now see the table of profit. In the table, in one side profit available for redemptions and other side profit not available for redemption. Available reserve, general reserve, reserve fund, 10 are given here, and 5 are given on next slide, which are not available for the redemptions of preference shares. Now accounting entries: redemption out of proceed of fresh issue. Fresh issue, you know very well. Fresh issue at par, at discount, and at premium. At par entry, bank account debit to equity, preference, whichever is issues, share capital account. When issue at discount, bank account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to equity or preferential capital account. When at premium, bank account debit to equity or preferential capital account to share premium account. Out of these three entries, only one entry apply, and you must know that this entry. Second entry: after this entry, Second entry is amount due on redemption, redeemable preferential capital account debit, premium on redemption account debit, if any, and to redeemable preference shareholder account. It is the second entry. Third entry, amount paid on redemption, redeemable preference shareholder account debit to bank account. Third entry. Fourth entry, providing for premium on redemptions, profit and loss oblique share premium account debit, premium on redemption account debit. Then redemption out of divisible profit. First, amount due on redemption, redeemable preference share capital account debit, premium on redemption account debit, if any, to redeemable preference share holder account. Second, amount paid on redemption, same entry, redeemable preference share holder account debit to bank account. Third, providing for premium on redemption, profit and loss account debit to premium on redemption account. Fourth entry, transfer to CRR, profit and loss account debit, profit and loss or reserve account debit to CRR account, is capital redemption reserve account. Other transaction also, sale of asset at loss, bank account debit, profit and loss account debit to investment if investment sale. Sale of asset at profit, bank account debit to investment account to profit and loss account if sale at profit. Bank overdraft arranged, if sometime bank overdraft will be arranged, then entry is bank account debit to overdraft account. Then expenses of issue, fresh issue, expenses of issue account debit to bank account. Third, writing of expenses of issue, premium on issue of shares account debit to expenses of issue account. 5, using CRR for bonus to equity shareholder, CRR account debit to bonus account. 6, issue in payment of bonus account debit to equity share capital account. These are the entries for preparing solution. This is very important. You must know this theoretical part of redemptions of preference shares. In next presentation, we see the numerical problem on redemptions of preference shares. So thank you friends, stay home, stay safe.